Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, we'll be discussing how Jason provides Legionella compliance services. Our service starts with a risk assessment by one of our competent technicians to identify and assess sources of risk and prepare a scheme to prevent or control that risk. During the assessment, our technicians will carry out a visual inspection of the complete water system and plant. Following the risk assessment, we create a written scheme of control, or a WSOC, to create a schedule of tasks to be carried out either monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. These include, but are not limited to, water temperature monitoring, water sampling, outlet shower and head descaling, tank inspection and chlorination, calorifiers or water heater, acid descaling and disinfection, closed system analysis, pipework amendments. So why not let Jason provide you with this vital service and, of course, peace of mind?